Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 24th, 2020. We have here a Sudoku with 4 stars, and this will be number 1 and 9 to 8. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. The publisher has published several times the 4 stars with 25 printed digits, and before were 24 printed digits. Let me check how many digits are printed. We have here 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 12, 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 4 is 25. Again, 25 instead of 24. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? Pick. How about the 7 in this row, the 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for a 7 should be there. Then, can I continue with the 7? No, I cannot continue with a 7. What a pity. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. We see here 1 and the 8 in the last row, so no 1 and the 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you so you can follow it easier. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then we go to 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8 in the third column. And look, we have an 8 and a 5 here in this row, so no 8 and 5 in this box. The 8 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. Alright. So in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 8 in those 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and 5 in this row. So no 9 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you. It's a pair. The other pair in this big square should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here in this column. So no 1 there. The 1 goes here. And the 4 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this column. We have a pair here also a pair. So the third pair should be the numbers 6 and the 2. 6 and the 2. Yes, let me mark those. It's a pair. Alright. 2, 6. So those 3 numbers, 4 is missing. 3 is missing. And the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have the 1 and the 6 in the first row, so no 1 and the 6 in those 3 boxes. The 1 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you. It's a pair. So the other 3 numbers should be the 2, the 3, and the 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 here, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Alright. In the first row, 3 missing numbers now. 9, 5, and the 8. 9, 5, and the 8. I need an 8 here. Look, we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here. So the 9 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in the third row for the numbers 3 and let me see, 6 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. 1, 2 is missing. 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 here in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's up here again. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 4. Alright. 6. Yeah. And now, let me see. Now. 5. 9 should be there. I'm scanning. 2, yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for a 2 should be there. 7, 4, 5. Alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 1, the 4, the 9, and the 5. 1, 4, 5, 9. 1, 4, 5, 9. 1, 4, 5, 9. 1, 4, 5, 9 in this column. 1, 4, 5, 9. We have a 4 and a 5 and a 9 in this column, so 1 digit left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 7 and 6. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about 594, 594? Yeah, we have a pair. 9 and a 4 in this row. 9 and a 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the 9 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you. It's a pair. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 2. One box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 is missing. How about these two numbers in this row for the numbers 8 and 6? Yes, 8 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. Need to wait. The last two numbers in this big square, the other pair in this big square, the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. So now we have two numbers left in the middle column. The 8 and the 6 are missing. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, one number left in this big square for the number 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this can be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle a row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes. How about the 7 then? And all the 7's are used, I can see. Yes. 7. How about the 6? And all the 6's are used, I can see. Yes, 6 is 2. How about the 5? And all the 5's are used, I can see. Digit number 4. And how about the 1? And all the 1's are not used. Yeah. I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. Let's continue. 2 numbers left in the last column. The 9 and the 4 are missing. 9 and the 4. And look, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 3, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright, for a 4-star Sudoku. I'm very pleased, because for a 4-star Sudoku, if it's really 4 stars, I need 30 minutes. So I'm very well pleased if I have solved this in 13 minutes. So is this really a 4-star Sudoku? I don't think so. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic and a binary one. Bye bye for now.